sir, as y'all can see, man, we out riding. I don't know if y'all can see the handlebars or not. Y'all should be able to, but we're riding right now. We're at Trax right now, y'all. It did rain, as y'all can see. But right now we're trying to find an air thing for my dad. The 450 y'all can see in front of me, hopefully. But we riding for sure. Trying to see where we going. I don't think they have no air thing, man. But before this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all haven't already. Looking for the air thing. I don't think they had one, do they? I don't know. Yeah, cause the blue 450, the tire on the back, it's not like, it's something going on with the blue 450, so I don't know. But not like nothing going on, but y'all know what I mean. Like the tires is like, I think both of them flat or something, I don't know. But right now we riding. We got Jose, you know, Jasmine, all them out here. We just riding around. We're trying to find the pump thing though. I don't know where it would be at. We're going to have to find out and look. Now she on the phone. Alright y'all, so we got the blue one. We got the blue one when the tires pumped up. About to see what Jose and them at. They back there, or like it about to rain again. But I don't know where Jose and them at. I don't know if they should be somewhere back here. I'm gonna get from behind this boulder, bro. This boulder spits up a lot of like dirt, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Hold on. Oh shoot! Hey man, I hope y'all can see, man. I ain't lying. Y'all, I'm so glad it rained though, like, cause now that it's rain, like, you can slide, you know what I'm saying? You can do a lot of stuff, but you just gotta know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? You can't be stupid. That's a big old hole right there. Man, Lexi getting out of control. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I want to try that out right there. Oh my God, he throwing all that mud. Hey y'all, this low key fun, man. I'm not gonna lie. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I'll be down to bring somebody with me to come to trial tracks. For real, for real. That's the thing. Now, which way did they go? You got your phone? Oh yeah, y'all. We had to get it started. Yes, sir. We had to get it started, man. We had to get it started. Alright, y'all. So we cannot find Jose and them. I think they went this way. I want to say. I want to say they went this way. I don't really know. But guys, y'all comment down below what we should be doing, man. For sure, for sure. Man, what up? That thing is nice. Dang. Y'all, I love seeing other people enjoy their stuff, man. That's all it's about. Y'all see the blue 450 slide. Oh my God. Your boy just got some blood in his face. Y'all, I don't know which way they went. Like at all. I know they didn't go down there. So they gotta be back here, I wanna say. But guys, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'm definitely gonna be bringing y'all some more four-wheeler content. I gotta start using my GoPro more, cause I feel like that's what brought my channel up. You guys love the GoPro content with the four-wheelers. So it's what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just cruising. I got a downshift. There we go. But y'all did it, he gone. I'm just rolling. I ain't gonna lie, we not rolling, but we cruising, you know? Cause I don't know where they went, how far they went, and where were they going. And y'all back in this mud, you gotta keep two hands on his handlebars. Cause bro, I swear this mud gonna take your ass. I swear. But man, I thought they'd be back here. The last time we got stuck. Down here we got stuck like crazy. But man, oh my God. Look at that, he's sliding. Y'all, that blue one is no joke. I wonder why they didn't tell us what way they were going. That boat will slide very easy. And you like you about to get stuck. He not laying off of it. Uh-oh. 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 Four-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-huh. Shoot, I wonder where they went. Heck no.
They go back the other way.
Now you gotta ride that mud off. That joke was spinning. I said that joke was spinning, you gotta ride that mud off now. So y'all, the thing about that four-wheel is it slides a lot. Like y'all, it slides a whole lot. Like if you're not holding on to it, you're losing it. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, y'all know I got Lexi. Y'all, the 250 is one of the most powerful four-wheelers I've ever seen that, you know, can make it do stuff that you wouldn't think it would make it through. And it made it through a lot. Don't get me wrong. Y'all, my phone got mud and everything on it. But y'all, we just riding right now. I don't know where they at? Like, God, dog. Y'all just had some mud slap me in the face. But I want to stay far from that because the mud off that four-wheeler, the mud pops up off that four-wheeler so easy. Like, it's not even funny. But we just gonna find out where they at because they just took off. They didn't tell us where they exactly at. But y'all, I'm holding the clutch down. Y'all heard? You gotta let off the clutch. Yeah, y'all see how that mud coming back and hitting me? That's why I don't want to get close. Y'all, this pole is a beast. Yo, the rocks that he just threw at me is not even funny. Now what the heck? They don't want to go back there. They don't want to go back there. Hey man. But yeah, y'all, I want to, let me see so. Man, you don't want to go back there. You don't want to go back there. Hey. What up, man? God, dog. Yeah, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned so y'all see we got Jose and them in the front. Then we got Jasmine. Then we got, you know, the mama and all them stuff back there. But we're riding, man. We're riding. I can't lie. Man. That mud was taking me this way. God, dog. Huh? I think I need it since there ain't no more dust. Yeah, it is. It's so much mud flying. God damn. Hey man. Hey. It's starting to rain again, y'all. But y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is mad fun though. And then you got that creek back there, bro. Just look at that deep end. That is crazy. But y'all, I'm gonna try and get all the content I can get. I'm gonna try to lay low off using my phone. Cause like, I don't understand what's the point of using my phone if, you know what I'm saying, like, when I got a GoPro. Asked for a GoPro, got a GoPro, and I don't use the thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna start using this thing for sure. And we're definitely gonna get money today. So, let's get it. Let's go. Y'all, he got a whole racer four-wheeler. Man, but it's crazy. We riding though. As y'all can see, man, it's raining, pouring right now, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my God. Y'all, this is crazy, bro. Why is it always happening to us? Golly. Oh my goodness. It was just sunny, bro. This is crazy. Man. I might have to put my GoPro up. I'm trying to play music and jump. I'm gonna just turn my phone down. I ain't gonna turn it off. Uh-oh, y'all. Is Lexi giving up? Y'all, this mobile is climbing, but it's acting like it don't want to. Like, y'all, look at that mud. Man, I'm low-key sliding in. Duh. Yeah, so y'all see, man, I don't have my GoPro, so I had to use the phone. But yeah. Uh-oh. I'm cold. Oh, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, the rain about to start up once again. Oh. God, no. Man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. We doing good back here though. Yeah, it started storming, so we couldn't ride like we wanted to. So we just basically just riding for the last time, about to go home. We gotta clean these things, man. Especially my four-wheeler. I ain't lying. can't see nothing. Right now, I'm following Jasmine and Mama and I'm behind the side by side of the four-wheeler. Nah, y'all, I get stuck. I'm stuck. I don't know what kind of mud and stuff I got on my face. But y'all, Lexi, she be getting down, man. She be getting down. I ain't gonna lie. But I don't know what it is. But I'm trying to go slow. But I'm trying to keep moving because my four-wheeler, like, bruh, it spins out so bad. It's not even funny. Like, as y'all just heard. Yeah. So it spins out like crazy. So y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Let's go. We finally got done riding. I don't care what nobody say, but this little joke here is a little beast. I ain't gonna lie. The 250 is real crazy, man. Y'all see we cleaned it up. Well, I cleaned it up as much as I could. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie. It had more rocks than, you know what I'm saying, than regular, like, than just mud. Like, it's more rocks this time. But other than that, it look good, though. Jose and them, they all cleaning they bikes and did cleaning the blue one. And but yeah, man, it looks way better than it did before. It had mud all over, man. But after this, I think we about to go ahead and load them up on the truck. Y'all see my whole trunk, everything soaking wet, man. It's all good. Y'all know when I get home, she gonna be looking like she never touched the mud. Clean that blue one up real good. But yeah, man, I don't care what nobody say, man. That green one, I see something else. I see something else. I ain't lying. What you gonna say? Dog. Jose, what's up, man? Jose over here, y'all, you know, the pressure washer man over here, cleaning up the side by side. Y'all, this is the Can-Am right here. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I think this is wait, this is 1,000, huh?
Yeah.
This is 1,000 Defender HD Can-Am, y'all can tell. But man, I ain't gonna lie, I like it though. They got the this is 2-seater with the, oh, boy, look. But I like the other side by side. I don't know which one I like. I haven't drove this one before, so I don't know. But I like this one for sure. And it's a 4x4 Yamaha. I like them though. I ain't gonna lie. But we had some fun today. Ready to go home, man, for sure. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to go back again. It's just the rain ruined everything. The rain ruined it all. But it was fun though still. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to clean up in here. Y'all can see all that motor and the engine and stuff right here. All that stuff. Oh, it's not hot no more. What the frick? Usually this is all hot. This is not hot. I just turned the 4-wheel off. That's crazy. Yeah, he got a whole racing 4-wheel over there. He got a whole racing 4-wheel. But y'all know if y'all already get y'all speaker, man, for sure. But I definitely got a spring for this. Oh my goodness, boy. Yeah, man, make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Oh, they gonna want the racing 4-wheels right there. God, man, this is crazy. Let me see. Let me get that thumbnail. There we go. Man, we out here.